Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you a card I made. I'm celebrating the festivities right now. I've made it with an A1 heart flip die. Heart flip it die. This is from the Stamps of Life. And it comes with these dies that you see. So it has the card base. And then some layering pieces on both sides, as well as some layering heart pieces, and then some arrows for decoration. So I did make this card. And that's the card base, the layers, the heart. There's one more layer of a heart that I didn't, and then one of the arrows that I used. But I did use the paper from this paper collection, which is Delightful Collection from the Stamps of Life. It is a 6x9 paper pad. And so I've cut a few pieces. I'm going to assemble some. You can listen to some music. And I'm just going to redo this so you can see it. I don't know why you need to see it, but here it goes. Enjoy.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello to Mona, I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello to Mona, I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know.
Okay, so I'm back. I hope you enjoyed the making of these cards. Let me know if you send out Valentine's Day cards to your crafty pals or girlfriends. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.